fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! The supplies you need for this tutorial are 4 candle holders, 4 tea lights, a long vase, a vase, a ring of flowers, round glass mirror, string of lights, white lights, acrylic beads, a stem of flowers. Now, I got these flowers at Michael's. It was $4 in a grab bag. Originally, they are $9.99 per stem, but I got all these in one grab bag for $4. Scissors and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our string of lights. We're going to drop them right into the vase. Then we're going to add our flowers. And then if you want to, you can add a little glass gems, just a handful. That way the flowers can stay in place. Okay, now we're going to take our acrylic beads and we're just going to glue them on random stems around the flowers. Okay, I pre-cut 8 strings of beads, and I took some flowers. I just took about 10 of them randomly off the top of these flowers. So I'm going to take one flower, put some glue on it, and put it at the end. once you have glued all the string of beads on the end of the limbs, now we are finished. We're going to put our flowers around the bottom. We're going to take our candle holders, put them down here on each end. We're going to place them on top of the mirror. Turn our tea lights on. We're going to turn our string of lights on. And we're finished. Okay, I'm going to add 2 LED lights right at the bottom. Okay, I am adding some more white lights, a string of white lights. Now I could do it at the bottom. That's pretty. Or I could just add them. Just add some more on the inside. Okay, I'm finished. I hope you liked this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more of my videos.